2017 hasn't been a kind year for oil. The once precious commodity lost roughly 20% in prices in the first 2 quarters. Global supplies remain high at the beginning of third quarter. However, some energy analysts say that there are good reasons for prices to bounce back.
We are in an oversold situation right now. The speculative position has been reduced to one of its lowest levels to its lowest level in 10 months. And they will be looking for entry point right now, and they'll be looking to ride this higher, say to 45, bid at $47.50 in my opinion.
Analysts predict that demand will rise in the short term as the summer travel season unfolds in the northern hemisphere. That, combined with a weaker dollar, may curb oil's downfall.
Yet the expectations are that earnings for the S&P 500 energy sector is likely to be up more than 300% in 2017. I think that probably for longer term investors, it might be a good time to start nibbling.
Nevertheless, some say the drop in output is due to one-time factors, such as Tropical Storm Cindy disrupting operations in the Gulf of Mexico. From a global perspective, oversupply remains a serious concern. The United States does not participate in the production curve agreed to by the more than a dozen OPEC and non-OPEC nations. So far, U.S. producers have filled the barrels left empty by countries like Saudi Arabia. They pocketed more sales proceeds from buyers like China, despite the fact that each barrel's price has suffered a bit.
Well, our year-end target is below $50 a barrel, not only for this year, but to average below 50 for all of 2018. It's very hard to get a good handle on where oil prices are likely to be. Only a month or two ago, expectations were that oil would be averaging around $53 in 2018. Now that number is below 50.
Some analysts say that the next big challenge for oil will come in September. Summer driving season will be over by then. If oil prices can survive the relatively low demand before winter arrives, then they have a chance to finish the year on a high note. Julia Sun in New York for CGTN.